Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate your Google Gemini AI model with your Visual Studio Code. So if you are a developer, uh, you already know that AI coding assistant can completely change your workflow and it can save a lot of your time and you can turn your AI model into your coding assistant. So you need a Google Gemini API key to integrate your Google AI model with your Visual Studio Code. So it is the Google Gemini API key is completely free. So to get the key, you can open Chrome and type Google AI Studio. Once you are here, click on it. So you need to remember that you need a Google Gmail account. So once you sign in, you will get a screen like this. Once you are in here, click on Dashboard and then click on Create API key. So it is quite easy. You can once you create it, copy that API key, then open Visual Studio Code. Once you are here, you can on the left side bar you can see here extensions. So you will need an extension that will act as a tunnel to integrate your Google Gemini AI model with your Visual Studio Code. So that extension is continue. Just type continue and extension marketplace, and this is the extension. So I've already installed this extension. So you can install it. Once you install it, you will see that extension on the left side bar. Here is the extension logo. Click on it and then click on select model. Once you click on it, click on add chat model. So there are here there are two different AI model providers. We have OpenAI, we have Llama. If you are want to use a local model, open source models, we have Mistral, we have Google Gemini, Azure, OpenAI, Anthropic. So for Anthropic and ChatGPT, I think OpenAI, I think you need a subscription. So we will use Google Gemini key, which is completely free. Once you're here, you can choose any model. You can choose model 3.1 Pro, 3 Flash. So I recommend you use Gemini 3 Flash. Uh, okay, and if an API key, you paste your API key here and then click on connect. So as you can see, our Gem, Gemini AI model is completely integrated with Visual Studio Code. You can ask it anything, and when you are coding, you can highlight any code, and you can ask Gemini to make changes in it, and in this way, it will completely change your workflow, and it can help you a lot. Thanks for watching this video, and if you found it helpful, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.